Yeah, sorry guys, but I have only two hands, but this is what you have to do. Sorry, but I don't have a better angle so you can see. So what I'm doing is a small ratchet, and it's a small socket 7. Basically what you have to do is just pull all the way in to start. This is not a good video, but probably you guys gonna figure it out, what I'm doing, little by little. Yeah, I got my hand started. Yeah, this is kind of very tight, this part, so you can try to work slow. Almost done. Yeah. Now what you're gonna do is go to the bottom and grab the then you can go with your fingers. See, that's it. I'm just gonna tight it with the wrench. Yeah, you can use the longer socket or a short socket, but I just gotta grab this like that. Sorry, but I'm just doing it with my one hand. holding the phone and trying to tie this bolt like that. So it's good. Oh, and by the way, I took the, sorry about the mess, but I'm trying to work kind of quick with the time. As you can see. So the cover is out. Basically what you do is just turn the wheel to the right side. Now what I need to do is tie the nut tight good, and then just gonna plug the plug, and then the red cable goes right there. Oh, and then there's this one that goes in here. See, so the plastic clip